Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to change language on Samsung TV. So first, take the remote and then click here, the gear icon, then go all the way to the right and you'll see all settings. Click here, then select the general and privacy and then go to the system manager. Click here and here you'll be able to see tons of options like the time, language and other stuff. Click on the language. After that, you'll be able to see all the languages that Samsung is offering for this type of TV. You can just select it and everything will change. The reason I'm not selecting any other stuff is because I do not know this language, so I'll stick with the English. You just have to click English or whatever the language you have and then automatically everything will change. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.